on the stage right now, singing your favorite song.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see.
Hey y'all, next day, I'm finna do my devotion. I feel like this part of my self-care. So, yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all good morning. Okay. And let's do this devotional. Instead of doing like a montage thing here where I'ma just do it with y'all. So, I want to read out of Job today. That's been heavy on my heart. Well, let me find Job. Don't judge me. I don't know where none of these scriptures are, except for Genesis. I know that Genesis is in the first testimony, Old Testimony. The first has family and fortune. This is Job 1, verse 6. Okay, we're not going to do that one. That's right. Okay, first of all, let's read the whole thing to get context. I'm finna read it off camera though, because, storage reasons. And then I'm gonna just basically summarize what it's saying and tell y'all what verse I'm going to lock in on and dissect today for Bible study. Okay, so I just got done reading the backstory of Job and who Job is. Job was a good man, very honest, and he loved God. There wasn't an evil bone in his body. But he had, 7 sons and 3 daughters? Yeah, 7 sons and 3 daughters. It was super duper wealthy. And his sons used to throw parties, and they invite his daughters, which is their sisters, over, to the party. They lived together, so it was invited over. But anyway, they had the sisters, and it says in their merrymaking, I'm not sure what they're supposed to mean, but apparently Job used to get up every morning after one of those parties to do a burnt sacrifice, just in case one of his children have sinned. And I don't know, it just feels kind of off to me, like, why would you allow them to have a party if you don't know if they're sinning or not? It seemed like he's sparing the rod, like, they can do what they want as long as I get up in the morning afterwards and burn a sacrifice for them. But it's like, if they're old enough to throw a party, then they're old enough to know right from wrong, so they need to be burning their own sacrifices. Like, you can't accept God into your life and do right and sow good seed for somebody else. The angels had brought in Satan to God because he was accused of something, I don't know. And, God was like, my friend Job here is a good man. And the devil was like, yeah, because you give him whatever you want. And you give him whatever you want. And if you stop giving him what he want, I bet he turn on you. So God was like, okay, bet. And Satan was like, bet. So God was like, just don't hurt him and do what you gotta do. And so Satan, he did what he had to do. He killed all of his animals, 2 by 2, dropping them down. And then a tornado struck the house and killed the kids during the party. And it hit all... Get that tissue out your mouth. And it happened all at once. So, it was just a whole bunch of chaos. And what he did, I don't think none of us have the strength to do immediately, but we would love to, if I'm being quite honest. He stripped down naked, shaved his head, he dropped down to his knees, and he worshipped God. He said he came in here naked, he gonna leave up out of her naked. He probably thinking he finna die too. Everybody else done died around. Everything else he had not died. So he like, if you finna take me, you gonna take me naked just like I came up in here. And he just said, God takes, well, God gives, God takes, God bless. God's name be ever blessed. But not once did he blame God or sin or curse at him or nothing. So it's safe to say the devil did lose that bet, but I feel so bad for him. He lost everything. I just want to dissect his reaction because that's a very interesting reaction. This is a book of wisdom. So this right here, this story is giving us wisdom on family and fortune. His children, when the devil went to God and, God started talking about Job, he didn't say, and his children are very honest too. And Job was the topic of discussion here. And so when they made, hey, what you got to say, boo-boo? Da, okay. So when they made that bet, it was on Job. The devil was not stunning his kids. His kids wasn't nothing to harm. And I feel like that is because his kids weren't as honest as him. His kids weren't so dedicated. You want to come for me? His kids weren't as dedicated to God as he was. So it's like, I don't want to say he didn't matter to them, but it's like you're not the most important thing here. He spared the rod. He let them do whatever they want, and I feel like they didn't choose the right thing, and Job was just making the sacrifice for them instead of getting them right or, just praying for them. It don't say he did or didn't, but, it's just like, I feel like if he tried to pray for them to try to, like, help them get right on their own, it would have mentioned it. So I feel like he just did not do that. And it cost him their life. Like, even in the midst of the bet, he was protecting his family because of Job. But I feel like if they were more like their dad and they were honest and closer to God, God would have said, just don't hurt him or his children. But Job was the honest one. Job was the one that was closest to God. And he said, just don't hurt him. He didn't include his children. And that's probably because his children didn't pray to him like Job did. His children didn't worship him like Job did. His children didn't do what Job did, so he wasn't focused on protecting them. He just protected them before to cater to Job, not to protect them, if that makes sense. So I feel like when he lost everything, it's just, I feel like it's because he spread the rod. So I feel like that's a little wisdom on the family area of this section. Spread the rod, support the child. And it don't always mean that your child is going to die if you spread the rod, but I feel like you will lose your child in one way or another. Another thing that I want to do as part of my self-care thing is clean this room. I am going to brush my teeth and wash my face. And I washed my face and stuff all that last night. I just didn't record it because it's like a morning and night routine. And y'all gonna get that in due time.
By your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fly, I get burned.
Alright, y'all, so your birthday is coming up. It means I gotta get my hair done. But it also means I need to take this down and wash it. I was gonna do that anyway, whether my birthday was coming up or not, but I just want to throw it out there that my birthday was coming up. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna take my hair down.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used
get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we a chill with Noel and party, a Jordan party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look right. Your body drive me, oh God.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titanic. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Now you want to run like a nothing. I think that's for me and have my head stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cash.
Alright, y'all, I just got done taking my hair down. My hair. Leave my tripod alone. We do a link check. My hair is at collarbone length. Mama! You want to be seen. The first step is to admitting. Say hi. My name is Mayer, and I'm an attention addict.
Your body driving crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titanic. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
One idiot said mayo was good for your hair. Now every black girl in America is putting this mess in their hair and it's staying, and it probably ain't even doing it. I usually just rinse my hair and then put shea butter on it and braid it up and then do the next day out. But I had to wash it this time around, so that's the only reason why I'm even conditioning it. Cause who knows what this is, what it's doing to my hair. Hold on, my hand's nasty. I really can't even pick you up if I wanted to. Hold on. Hold on, Bubba, hold on. Can you let me go? Let me go so I can reach my hands off. I'm sorry. Aliens are coming. The aliens are coming. The aliens are coming.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find who I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, yes. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I just don't live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other one.
Alright, for the last part of this video, I'm finna do the most generic thing you would do in a self-care video. Take a while, guys. Yes, a face mask. If you say anything other than face mask, I'm just going to assume that you're slow. So, I already washed my face. I just haven't put nothing on it since then. So, instead of washing my face again, I'm just gonna get a super hot wet towel and wipe my face with it, but I'm gonna mix up my mask first. I put in some Aztec clay mask, turmeric, some charcoal. I bought this from Amazon. I have my handy dandy measuring spoons here. I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of Aztec clay mask, and I'm gonna put in 1/4 teaspoon charcoal and also 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. charcoal nose strips, but I haven't even been having bad whiteheads on my nose since I've been using my soap I made with the African black soap. So I'm not even gonna use that, but that's really helped. That's impressive. Nothing's been able to really get rid of that. Well, I don't know if I can put it on this and the African black soap help it to never come back, or just wait for it to remove it. I made it with warm water and it feels so good. It makes it a lot more comfortable to put on instead of like a super cold shock on my face. I like to get my eyelids and stuff too. I'll see y'all when it dries. This is my last thing that I'm doing for this video. I have a bad habit of not closing out videos until like 5 days later when I'm finally done editing. And I come out of nowhere like, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Instead of Phil. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, these things. I will be uploading my birthday preparation vlog soon. So sorry I look a mess at the end of this video, but I'll be a baby at the end of next video on Sunday, okay? It should look a whole lot better in the morning. Y'all see in the next video how we coming along. I'll see y'all in the next one. Matter of fact, God bless.